Alright everyone, my name is Governor Ezioku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. So, because of whom God has made us to be, I have every reason to talk about this particular matter. It has bothered me. I was supposed to be in Enugu today, but I couldn't meet up due to my busy schedules, and I'm just leaving school now. So, everyone on this broadcast, I did like you to watch this with me. That is why I always talk. In this kind of matter, you will hardly hear it on the internet because he has nobody. But if it is your bishop or you or any of your cousins, then we will hear it. All of you will start dragging very dark man into it, start calling his attention. But because then when the boy who will speak for him because he has nobody. I want to play this video and show you what local vigilante, and they are burying the boy right now as I speak to you now. The burial is ongoing. I was supposed to be in Enugu, that's why I'm putting on black. I was supposed to be in Enugu today, but I couldn't meet up due to security and many more, so I couldn't meet up, you know. That's it. So the charity, I will show you guys this thing now that you all may see. I would like you all to watch this video I'm going to play here now. It is in case Governor Ezioku does not matter. The day it happens to you, that's the day you will know that these things happen, and that day you will need Governor Ezioku in one way or the other. You may need me. Now, before I will call somebody who is at the place where they are burying this young man now, the guy attached his picture here. Local vigilantes gathered and bet this guy, both this guy. They beat him up, the guy, so this is his burial now. The burial is ongoing. Ebutagia from mortuary. They just brought back his corpse. The governor of Enugu State, Governor Ndubisi Tamba, His Excellency, this is what the local vigilantes did. And because the local government chairman in question, whom this vigilance group works under him, because he's a lawyer, he swept the matter under the carpet. Even 50,000 naira, ordinary 50,000, was not given to this family. The guy, his wife, his family was never compensated for anything. And this matter, not even compensation, is my problem. When are we going to stop all these barbaric killings of our people? Look at the video I am playing here. Is the video, you see everybody is sad. This is going on right now in Enugu. This is going on in Enugu. Help me share this live broadcast. It may concern you tomorrow. I don't know how you feel when you see people being killed unnecessarily. I don't know how you feel. I don't know if it touches you. I know the generation we are into right now, nobody cares about humanity anymore. But as long as God lives, we will always stand and stick to what is right. We will do this no matter what it takes, no matter the time, no matter the stress. I'm going to post later in the day today. I'm going to post a video of how they were torturing these people, even after him. This is how this local vigilance group tortures people. This is this guy before I torture Gideon will go this guy for nothing. Just like that, they just buy this guy for nothing. Just local vigilante. Look at the guy in the hospital, his last words. 13 of them bet this guy like this. How could this guy here where Kuboya? His last words. I know all of you, none of you have human sympathy. None of you has human sympathy. None of you. But there's no problem. I think you can see for yourself. The office in the vigilante here, look at what they do to people. They will even dehumanize you. You see, elders, if the kind person had seat in Allah, had to be in Canaan. Okay, that I may call somebody from there. And Igbo go so wicked that human life, Agwam Nandi Bumriki Mecha resort to this kind of level, I wouldn't have believed. I never knew that our people can develop this reprobate mind. I never knew. But so let me call somebody there. Let's hear directly from them and know what's going on there. You may think, no, you see from unknown gunmen, you would not know it will come from another way. Mgbe our brother security buru na nga okpala. Security no na ala nna anyị. Many of you supported it. Many of you tagged it one thing or the other. And I laughed. I kept quiet because amamna. Owo obum obuge. Hello? Hello? Hello, Nonso? Because I'm not at the burial. Hello? Oh, network. Hello? Hello? Network Nigerian Sobo. Are you at the burial place? Hello? Oh, network. I think you got this video call so that you show us. Let's know what's going on there. Yes, I can hear you. Thank you. Oh, Governor Ezioku Kageni Aneku. In Aneku, Governor Ezioku. Okay, please, can you turn to video and show us, and so that people can tell us what happened to that young man and him there?
Okay, we just came back from the graveyard. Let me turn on the video.
Okay, turn. Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Have they buried him?
Yes. He has just been buried now. We just came back from the graveyard.
Okay. Can you tell us briefly what happened to that young man?
The young man had an issue at the family. Had a little issue at the family, so the security operatives at the local government level we are called upon. So on the process of trying to settle the case, it's like they rough handled the guy so much that they took him to their base. And after some time, he exclaimed that they should take him to the hospital. So when they got to the hospital, that is where he
died. Did he steal anything from anybody?
Pardon?
Did he steal anything from anybody?
No, he did not. So he did not.
Just that they had a family issue.
So they had a little problem in their family, in their immediate family. So one of the uncles, he was living with the uncles. So they said they brought some particles of the tires, pieces of tires, broken tires, to go into one room. So the man said that he will not do that. And this during the course now, they started kind of quarreling. So the man went and uproofed the roof. So the guy in question went and started hitting the fence, trying to pull down the fence. So on the process, that was when the uncle called the security operative from the local government. So that is how it happened, according to what they told us.
So the local government chairman, was this matter reported to the council chairman?
Yes, he was here. He was with the family in several locations, trying to see how we can settle this case. But at a point, when they were not coming up, we should invite them, the representative of this community.
Is the youth president of the community? Let me call you direct call. Let me call you direct call. Let me call you direct call so that we'll hear you clearly. I want you guys to see what is going on. This guy did not steal anything from anybody. I am from Imo State, from Ngobala local government area of Imo State, and I am based in Port Harcourt. I shuttles Lagos and Port Harcourt. But I'm concerned about you. If it happens to you, I will be concerned. And a big grandmother here, how quite his father's property? His uncle came and removed his roof. The guy better come ties. Now one of the houses okay that was all. Yamaka property there. Now, funny enough, if this matter is discussed anywhere, they will use their contact. His uncle, the local government chairman and all that, they will use their contact and quench it. Ebeburu, an innocent young man. Hello?
Hello.
Please, I have to call you direct call that we may hear you clearly.
Okay.
So, was the matter reported to the police?
Yes.
And what did the police do?
I think the two uncles were arrested by the police now. From there, they were even transferred to Enugu. But at a point, local government delegated one of the, I think, chief of all the chiefs in the South, who went to Enugu and buried them on the condition that it is going to be resolved amicably. But at a point, after everything, nothing was done. They insisted that they should pay, that they are going to bring 2 million naira. That's the local government chairman for both the compensation, hospital bill, and everything. But the boy, the elder brother, told him that if it is for compensation and mortuary bill and every other thing, that he should leave it. Let him see how he can bury his brother. So those of made contributions to settle the mortuary, to settle the police case at Enugu, and also to buy the gasket and conduct a mini funeral. So that is where we are now.
Even the 2 million naira, they did not pay, right?
The boy asked him to leave it instead of bringing that money as compensation and the conduction of the burial. I should leave it. If you so wish, let him use that money and come for condolence visit. That's what he told him.
Okay. Which local government in Enugu State is this thing happening?
Igbo South.
Igbo South. The name of the young man's uncle, those that were arrested, those that were arrested first, that was later released by the police, what are their names? Can you remember?
Let me give to the elder brother so that he tell you the names of those uncles.
Okay, please.
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me, sir?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Governor Zoko. I'm calling you from a live stream.
Okay.
Please, I'd like to know exactly what happened. I learned that they are burying your younger brother today, who was killed by local security men. Vigilante group, right?
Yes. That is Neighborhood Watch.
Neighborhood Watch.
Yeah.
Enugu State, Izuku South or what?
Igbo South.
Igbo South. Okay. So, what happened? Can you tell us brief what happened? What led to his death?
Okay, the thing is this, he just one day said that he want to tidy a store in our family, which our father is the eldest son to my grandfather. So my father's younger ones have occupied all the rooms. And this is not just the proper one, is in the tie road. And the younger ones are so interested in it. And moreover, my dad is the eldest son. So they occupied all the rooms which are available. So we have another property which we are supposed to share in this August that just passed. So he says, okay, if my dad happens to the room here, that he's going to repair his store so that when my father comes back in August, that they will be sharing property. Our father will be able to use that very store and sleep. So he now went and bought ties, 2 cartons. Decided to just start putting in the store. So my uncle said that no, that he should not put it. Then he now asked my uncle, why will you say I should not put it? This is a family house. And moreover, it's our grandfather that have this place, which is the eldest son, and you don't have anywhere. So, and it's not supposed.
Alright, your network is bad. Let me cut and call back. To everyone listening to me, I just want you to see the level of wickedness in our land. The local government chairman sent the council of elders or chiefs to go and withdraw the matter from the police that it will be settled. The police granted him the audience. Did the police follow up to know if these people actually complied or did as they've said? Who know, man? Paddy for Niger. That's what it is, the key people. We have the corpse of our brother who is also in the mortuary, a young man who certain local securities whom we are attached, I don't know where they brought them from, they brought them to that Zion premise. They shot our brother dead. Till today, the so-called Christians are not saying anything about it. And they are waiting for the day we will react. When we look at you, you are not doing anything about it. We will remove the peace flag. It's a parable. We will remove it. Because the government has failed to say anything, no. But it is when we retaliate. Any day we retaliate, you will see it on the news. Isi 1-2 Obola. Isi 1-2. Agbaga dengen go allow. Isi 1-2 Obola. Iburu unjustly gave away 100 heads. For the first time on the internet, they do this kind of thing. It may come slowly, but you will pay dearly for it. You see what our people are doing? Then we keep with anybody now, no problem. Local vigilante group. Hold on, let me call back the young man. Let's hear from his elder brother. Very unfortunate, this guy still had the courage to still speak to us upon the pains. I know what it is for you to just wake up one morning, Obu Nebugo, your younger brother. How will you feel? How will you feel? How will you feel? Wickedness in high places. I just want to get the names of these people. Ebi Harmony. Certain selfish interests. Sorry, go ahead. They are not picking. I believe they are busy. Go. So, you see the level of. I was supposed to be in Enugu today. It's not going to be a small journey. Leaving Port Harcourt to Enugu. Or there is here can Emery California. But I had to bring this to your notice so that you will see what our people are doing, what these so-called leaders are supporting. The local government chairman was pricing 2 million naira. 2 million naira. That's why we tell you not to elect idiots. I heard he's a lawyer, but he's an idiot. I don't fear any idiot amongst them. These are bastards. Because whether you are a lawyer, whether you are a priest, whether you are a chief priest, whether you are a onye juju, or whether you are occultic, you are an idiot. So far you don't care about humanity. Whether you are a clergyman, Bible in a 100 days, stand about that place. You are an idiot. Now me they talk am. These are a bunch of fools, idiots. They don't care about humanity. But if anything happens to their mama, Their mother now, if anything happens to your mother, mamo, mommy mo, mommy mo. The gate of hell is open for all of you. The gate of, if it is important to go and watch this thing I'm telling you. You see, anything you support, keep your door wide open. It will come to you. It may take time, either to you or to your offspring. I know that many of you don't even care about your extended children in life. You don't care because you think after you must have existed. But many of you, your names will be wiped out. I just saw something. Gas is moving. Leanya, this is Bokte converting gas. Everything you support, it is nothing to you. If your child is sick, if they can take another person's life, and your own child, typhoid and malaria, that day, you will die there. We can survive war. Nemesis, things will be meeting you until that thing in our support will reach you. That's the way it is. I don't care how you feel. I don't care. The Bible you read says, in the same measure shackles together, in hundreds shall God and nature reward unto you that which you have done to the next person. Everything you've done. I always sing this song that says, and I just about a bad song, but it's a message about that song that says, fading away like the stars of the morning, losing their light in the glorious sun. Those who do pass from the earth and its toiling, only remember by what we have done. Umunem, only remember. Ndenimo, only remember. Only remember by what we have done. Those who do pass from the earth and its oiling, ever remember by what they have done. Umunem, na the online Nedimo, na the online Umuneme, na the online Kageji Chetai. You can only be remembered by what you've done. Bugana, no problem. Build good houses, look for beautiful ladies and hang around you. There is no problem. The day the taker will knock at your door. My joy is that even your bed cannot save you. Your monies cannot save you. It fails you from that point. It fails you. The way and outside on that, and that will chat truck. I'm a chat truck on that, and then we are only bua. These are the new ones. It's more business now got on here. One day, upon these millions of naira, the outside of Rebana along the road, if you scratch one of them, all of them will come out and defend that one. Immediately. They don't even care. They don't care. They only care for life amongst them. Now, the question I have to ask each and every one of you is very simple. How do you feel? When you do to someone that which you know you will not tolerate, you wouldn't want anyone to do unto you. When you hold political offices, what you plan immediately is anywhere you see evil, you support it. Go and check each and every one of them who are involved in this thing. By the grave of that young man, you are cursed. It's not joke. Run to anywhere you like in life. If it doesn't meet you, it will meet your children. If it doesn't meet your children, it will meet everybody. I have told you these things before. There is a man, a young man. If you are there, man, Aqua white no motor abi. White wenka. That is gas. I just showed you two now. You know how far away from the depot. Just loaded. What you deliver? There is a man in my maternal home. He's a politician. I don't want to call him. I don't want to insult him. But I kept telling him. He watches me. He went to state assembly and came back empty-handed. And we don't know now about even if they come. If I talk, he no fit talk. No be bragging. They connive. They will one of their cousins. Boy allegation we ya. When the police we ya. When you ana sergeant oprom. Then from anti-kidnapping unit to worry. God, because all my government, all my governor, this and that. How many they connived, you know, his nephews. That was how they shot at this our innocent brother. At the end of the day, after they must have killed him, nature and God fought all of them. At the end of the day, you know what happened? Every of his cousins who teamed up a weboya nka jere im operation na hospital one there na nke bona na mbiso washi. The other one a gym operation she be one. The other one a total one money just like that. All of them they are in so plan the other thing is ebo this boy a weboya. All of them are in the grave. Mo chineke kadosara now. But that man one who feel uniaji political office, he can help them. You know why God kept him alive? Everybody watching me. Everybody from my community watching me. You will be sure. I kept saying these things. You always see this our uncle anywhere in Maro. I was surprised this recent one Emegas in our place now. This land grabbing also yeah. I was surprised. I said, God to your name, to you be all the glory. That is what anywhere you will see him. That's what he does. Funny enough, God kept him alive for a particular purpose. Golden door. Where Farrell. I want you to check your village. There are people you will see who must have done so many evil in the past. Check their condition. The last end of a wicked man. If you experience it, you will never. I'm telling you, as somebody whose grandfather was one of the most toughest native doctors. And at those days, you don't dare challenge Beke. You don't dare. Make it. All those guys, them. I end up nonsense. You know about life. They play the show live. Here we talk about here with him. I got another place. He put about the same cook. He maybe in a man for the cook again. Life, different things. Medala. John de Mariana, no nya darala, onya kerishi, onya aburishi ato. These are dangerous charms. I'm telling you from, if I'm talking to you, I'll be pointing at my language. I'll be telling you from experience what I saw. But at the end of the day, you know one thing I love about that man? He told everybody, ni go John or what Jesus or wanka or go John Megi. No, they really more. Go to a native doctor and ask questions. Do you know why there are things they don't do? I will tell you, it's also in Christendom. My broadcast must teach you something you will go home with. I don't just talk. That is why per minute I block people. I block people because if I allow you be here, there are times you will learn. Then the times you did not understand what I was saying, you only come to talk trash. So I better buy you off. Nevertheless, let me just share this with you. Go to a strong native doctor you know, whom is powerful. Go and ask him. He will tell you that there are things he can no longer do because of his children. Whether you have given birth to children or not, too much of that bad charm will start taking their lives. What I'm supposed to mention something around us, around my lineage, but because no man do before, that's why there are things I won't tell you. But I don't know how you feel when you wake up one morning, you just witness all your aunties. Because of what they use sweep respect yourself. I know what I'm telling you. It's like the old prophet. When the prophet grows old, he functions like a native doctor. I will clear you on this thing. Repercussion of things. Don't even say it. Don't even go close. Run for your dear life. Don't even sit anywhere they are planning evil against anybody. Run. Run. Don't support injustice. Run for your dear life. Those people that you want to start supporting evil with, they will not follow you when you are going back to your village. I put for gas card there for crowd. They will not follow you. They will not be there when your children will be receiving the repercussion. Their own children might be safe. It is you that will pay. It is you. Sometimes overzealousness pushes you to react more than what you needed to do. You even react more than, you cry more than the head. You crawl most times more than the cock. Over things that does not relate to you. You do the way your overzealousness will push you. You start, come on, You see the way life is. You got to be careful. Now, see, I have somebody. The person just built a hotel in Abala, Imo State here. So the guy lives abroad. He just built a hotel. And this guy, I don't know him from anywhere. Just that when they bought the land, he equally informed me. So I went and stood as witness for him. Somebody I met on this internet. Maybe he will watch this video later on. Now. I went there, supported and all that. So the guy told me that I should bring somebody who can help him manage the hotel. He wants me to bring the person that will manage the hotel. I was like, what about those your brothers I saw that day now? Call one of them to manage. He said, no, don't you have anybody? He said, Governor Zuko, I want something that will concern you there so that you'll be putting eyes for me. I said, no. So I asked him questions. The guy now told me that that time, the day I went and signed for that land, the day I went and signed for that land for him, that do I know that those guys will be 800,000 naira. 800,000. His relatives, Sorodia Goya Wayo, 800,000. The guy later knew. Although I didn't bother to ask him, if you tell those his brothers that 800,000 naira would deprive them the opportunity to make 8 million, maybe in the nearest few years, they will never believe it. If for Ihojo support, for Ihojo is located go at that point, if for the thing they deprive for like to manage the hotel. The worst is after Hanguchariawaya, according to him, he said he gave them after he bought the land. This guy still had the conscience, the heart of human. Only they had 250. No one car with 100,000. Only car with 100,000. The other one with 50,000 now. But if we are to give 25 the first day, 25 the second day. Upon his kindness did not teach this his cousins to show him love. For me, I didn't want to say much. I smiled. That is one problem we have. Because you want money now, because you want to get something, now you go and support one evil. It will return to you. It will cost you more than what you can see. It will cost you what you cannot even imagine. Nne manu magutegu kangora genka. Elela nya na zumbi neme iye di mao. Unye lotulera nya na zoro gigenu. Elela nya na zu mineku ezioku giye. Unye lotulera nya na zoro gigenu. There is no regret in being upright. There is no regret. There is no regret anywhere. Look at all of them. You know my word, my confidence. Many of them who support evil today because of what they will eat. By the time they get what they will eat, something bigger than what you will swallow and eat will be there. The thing will trouble you. There and then, you will begin to tell your children about me. There and then you begin to remind the next generation. Many of you quote me the day you fall victim. Many of you quote me when you now fall victim of those things I have taught you before. When you're ignorant, whenever your ignorance leads you towards the danger part of some things I have told you before or I've said to your hearing, you will remember my words. It's a matter of being patient with you, watch you, observe you, watch you continue doing the things you wish you can do or you think you can do. Life never ends at the table or detriment of whatever you will gain from it. Now they scammed their brother 800,000. Today the guy was patient with them. Oh, let me tell you, some people are like that. That's why I tell people. There was a man. I come in a guy born on Muna de Augustine Kuoku. De Augustine said Namburu Ngwa Jawabi. Namburu tank gawa. Not trust from more. At least, if not for anything. Mba over to business say come more as okay make a cheat to China match. No, that him Roger trust him. Even though Yama no we have an idea say na Yahum Kuru just say na chom, I don't want it, I left. Oh man, that thing, naming him that thing against Yama. But anyhow, I would have gotten some money. But Oma in another way, they say we something because Yabu may go China were you. At the end of the day, the China woman just complain to EFCC or police. She may arrest, I got miss memo arrest. Yes. Now that problem that will come tomorrow can solve earlier today. Or I can solve earlier. So the man the Budati know be all this while. Oh, Budati know be all this while. Maybe that beginning, that first time, despite being angry, did that stop him from doing things with me? Ubu now, Kebiga Mongwaya Masia and Jesus in the money. Kebiga Mongwaya Masia and Jesus in the money. Guinea Comere. I was in Buriache when not trust Romoa. No man, they get a Fabi. Okay. Imagine do the surprise on that thing. Somebody who is supposed not to have done anything with you on a normal mindset, but the man Amanagana, at least they save room your stress of being paraded, they make arrest and warwage for nothing. I'm not here. Okay, anyone you want to take, you take. You see the way life is. See the way life is. When you support evil, you don't know what it will cost you. You only look at the things you will get right now from it. You're only looking at what you will get right now from that evil you support. Have you considered what you will lose? What you will lose is one big thing you've not seen. That's one side you've never imagined. If at all you can take a break and think about what you will lose, let me shock all of you. For the very first time, let me tell you this thing now. Do you know that Ate is a Nubo, the oil magnet? Do you know that he has a manager? Do you know he has a general manager? Somebody manages everything he has. Go and ask questions. Do you know that his general manager is richer than Obi Kubana and E-Money put together? Are you aware? Somebody's manager. Do you know that Bishop Abioye, who is serving under David Oyedepo before, do you know that he needed not to open a church of his own? He needed not to run a church. He only needed to be an assistant to a man. From being somebody's assistant, he owned a private jet. There are some people's vision that is attached to your own. There are some of your visions that can only be perfected or actualized when you meet with some people. If Joseph did not go to prison, he wouldn't have been a prime minister. Nothing happens to you in life that should worth you selling your conscience. Everything that has happened, the Bible says that out of prisons he came out to reign. He came out to reign. If Obasanjo did not go to prisons, he wouldn't have been the president. He wouldn't have been the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria at that point. He wouldn't have been the president at that point. Whatever happens to you in life, let it not move you or shift you from whom you are. Let it not move the original whom you are away from you. For the sake of humanity, there are people who will benefit from the true you. If you delete it, they will never benefit from it. I want you to check your conscience. After being a politician, after you must have rigged the election and win election, how is your life? Let me shock you again. Those people, those idiots who ruled, who went to the State House of Assembly between 2009, 1999 till 2003, and 2003 till 2007. From 2007 till 2011, these 4 years, I want you to go and check all of them. Remember, just flash back in your own constituency. Make call back to your local government. Ask people, this person who represented us in 1999 till 2003, how is his life? 2003 to 2007, the person who represented you people at the state assembly level, at the federal house of representative level, do you know that many of them cannot afford food to eat today? I have one in my place. He sells pure water. He has pure water company now. Pure water factory, not even company. If you go there, they everywhere. They couldn't even tie the ground. This man uses bus now to go and supply pure water. If he had known and leave politics that time and face reality, then go bala mo nyem na-ekwu na anye nwe no ejere federal house of representative or gacha today is a local commissioner. Even the governor na phone, governor does not take his calls. We have had one who went to state assembly for 8 years. Oji the money here in a rapport hotel all his life. His life did not change. The day they later bundled him to federal house of representative, he was running for that election. He only had 80,000 naira as account balance. Oji got to Liego. When he got the second opportunity to Obido Bugawa, the same devil who will pitch down his career is still following him about. After federal house of representative for 8 years, this person cannot boost off road to his father's compound. Ojishirike koji onolo. Money ni were no wasinachi. You will do evil, you will support it, you will pet it, you sugarcoat it because you want it to suit you. You want people to appreciate you for being this evil, for being this demonic and drastic, wicked, and you think it ends there. Support every evil because you want to pay your house rent, you want to pay your children's school fees. You are busy training vampires. After raising those children, the Lord and God who owns karma and nature possesses the minds of your children. They become against you. They see you as their enemy. The Bible says, and the evil spirit from the Lord came upon Saul. Bible also said that the devil provoked him and he numbered the children of Israel. You can, after raising family because you want to pay school fees and that's why you support evil. You never see person wait thief last year, use the money, build a house, finish, marry pretty wife. He reach there, the wife get belly, die. Now so in poverty use come again. Go and ask people. My father was rich. At some point I saw that rich man became a poor man. With my eyes I saw it. You, your own father, uncle. Was your father not rich? Wasn't there a time your father was doing better? How far is he now? That your papa will be giant at that time, that when he comes out, everybody will be hailing him chief, monster. As of today, that man, one belt, then, if they all bring belts, he will just use the belt on his waist straight without going to cut it. Today, look at that your father's waist. Belt can now round his waist 2 times. For you that your breast is standing and you are talking nonsense, you can rant or talk anyhow because you think, nay, I'm mama like this forever. Oh, you may die. Your eye go clear. So make your noise, claim his beauty, this and that. Eze go one of you here. How far? Or one more? Can his children come today and boost? Can they talk even in Ihiala now? There are people, the same Ihiala has more billionaires as of today. In your time, in your turn, what did you do? Did you create enmity? Did you use that your wealth to create enmity? Did you use that your wealth to subdue humanity? Indirectly, How many people did you take their lives indirectly? All because you want to perfect your enterprise. My name is Governor Eziokwu Olilanya. This is where I will leave you. To Anambra, to Enugu State Government, Governor Peter Mba. This kind of things, you will not see it. Okurora, these are things you should be communicating to the governor's ear. The innocent young man like this was brutally murdered by local vigilante. If you look at these people, these are Kai men. I think I create a vigilante. I create a vigilante in Ala Igbo. The vigilante I create one Ala Igbo again will start killing the Igbos. I say, okay, now, can create another security again? Wahala. Mazen Namdekanu came and created ESN. They were of good conduct. All of a sudden, infiltrators, the same people he cautioned, the same people who took oath to protect the Igbos. If it was a kidnap, wasn't the Igbos. Tagebaze Hansabo, Kehagemo Metonu Igbo. Upon that, upon Naibuga, all of these idiots, the Mifro that was supporting Gentle, in when Unkagebu Mayor today, or call confess your IPOB tomorrow. In when Unkobono wa. No one, none of them. As long as you cannot be happy, maybe your own person, which means you like your hojo, right? Then the same way you will not be happy if they buy your own person. Also frown, also get angry, also feel furious anytime it would another different person. Life is life, blood is blood. Human is human. The only thing that made the other person a stranger is because your parents did not tell you that you are somehow related to that person. That is the only story you wanted to hear. Had it been your parents adopted that person, Eburu now, they're happy. Had it been your parents adopted that person, they died and you are very happy. That is a sabo. Had it been your parents adopted that person into your family, you grew up to see that person as your brother, would you have supported anybody to hurt that person in life? These are the messages I preach to my youth that made them not to have brutally attacked you. It is because I speak, I preach to them. Ebula mother. Because the Bible says that the wages of sin is death. The Igbo cosmology says no, because I will let you know. But in other words, let me tell you, maybe it's also a joke. Because in the same Bible, there's a chapter, or there's a way I will turn it. The Bible says that a killer, he that killeth by the sword shall he go. So is 1-1. It is 1-1. My brother. It is 1-1. Nevertheless, it's only a fool that will ask the beginning of evil to start from his own community or his own village, because it is easy to start something, but to regulate and control it is very, very difficult. All of you who support evil by day, it goes back to you. You will receive it. Because you are in public office, you hold one office, or in your village right now. If it's in across your people, that you're driving one big car and you have built an upstairs. Let me tell you, those people you are marginalizing, they have children. Their children are watching. Their children will never forget the evil you've done to their parents. And when they retaliate, you look at those children now watching you, those little kids watching you, those your uncle's children you are dealing with, because they are poor. You don't hold their destiny. That's one thing you don't know. Every family in Igbo land now support evil. Listen to me. Listen to me. You know where I knew that things are spoiled. Things has gone astray. When I discovered that in those days, there are kinds of monies you bring back home. Your grandfather will say, "Ta, only she's there." The man, all our ancestors, they were prophets. They were men who sees beyond the ordinary eyes. There are monies you bring, they will look at it and they will say, no, this is evil. I see danger sighted in this money. Return it back. They were seeing far. Where are such parents? Where are they? Today you go and tell a woman that I see your son making sacrifice at the junction. He's killing goat, doing this and that there. And this your son, they may Yahoo. Your mother knows that you are a Yahoo person. You are a criminal. Don't baptize it Yahoo. Your mother knows that you are a criminal. You say drug. Your mother will tell you, oh no, brother, can't read drug now. Oh no, but you work on and read the drug. On the Nequania no neighbor. A bob and Dutch on the area, mobile and Lagos can't read drug. I was as him. Man, I see a land neighbor. That place that your son is selling that drug. Are there not people's children there? Those people he's selling to, are they not someone's relation? Mama, so because your son is bringing money home for you to eat, and even if your elderly son talks and say, Mama, this business this my younger brother is doing is wrong, I don't like it, you as a mother, you will not hate your first son for telling his younger brother the truth. You are not supporting. It happens in families. This generation is totally polluted to some extent that your elder brother does not have value again. Why? Because you are the one bringing in the money. What kind of money are you bringing in? Dirty money. That your elder brother is keeping quiet and all of you are rubbishing him. He knows that you will soon fall by the sword. He knows. Your mother does not respect him again. Your mother does not take order, or even your father again does not even care more name exist. Why? Because Nigeria go war. But he is the pride, the true son of his father. Ugo the family is in that one who stands and speaks for what is right. Some of you idiots, anyways, your elder brother, I mean your parents, your father Nwono, actually your father, you are a younger brother because Niji ego. You want to overshadow your elder brother. You want to overshadow your elder sister. Because you as a younger sister, your husband has money. And you now think that your elder sister, her husband will never see food to eat. Who told you? Their children are watching. They are growing. Turn by turn, oh. My own tongue go come, oh. Turn by turn, oh. As long as I dey alive, turn by turn, oh brother, my own tongue go come, oh. Turn by turn, oh my name, as long as I dey alive. Because your husband will ego aleka, ego man ozutari anoshi. You know that your husband will onyoshi. Then you are busy ridiculing your elder sister. Sometimes self in a ko be dear chaya woji dear because you think no ways or okay. Your pastor will not tell you this nonsense. These things you are doing that they are nonsense. He will not tell you because why must you be surrendered by criminals? Why must you be surrendered with idiots, people who cannot convey truth to your ear? Do you know that all those people I speak to on this social media, I speak indirectly to or directly to? Do you know that all of them, they watch me here? They learn from me. Many of your pastors, what they preach on Sunday, see these things I just said now about elder sister and younger sister. Watch them from now till 1 month today. You will see them preach it at the pulpit to show you that they watch me. Except this side, this thing, because I've just said it now. Abola pen. Foundation. All right, goodbye. Goodbye for now. See you some other time.